India's got latent row. The panelists before Women's Commission were produced yesterday, after which the NCW chief has now come out and condemned the offensive language used by the YouTuber Ranveer Allahabadiya on the show India's Got Latent. He said, "We do not accept such language by responsible citizens." Ranveer promised to show respect when he was appearing yesterday before the women's panel. He said that he apologizes for his remark and has said that such remarks will not be repeated by the YouTuber. Remember, Tushar Pujari, Saurav Bothra, Apurva Makhija and Ranveer Allahabadiya were present in front of the commission yesterday. The offensive language used by 3 people on the show is widely condemned and there is a pan-India outrage on their comments. But now the NCW chief has said that the YouTuber has apologized for his comment and said that such remarks will not be repeated. Let's also listen in to NCW chief's remark.
Apurva Makhija और रणवीर अलाहाबादिया ये 4 लोग कमीशन के सामने प्रस्तुत हो गए। कल वो कमीशन के सामने आए थे। जिस तरीके से अभद्र भाषा का उपयोग इस शो में इन लोगों के द्वारा किया गया है, ये बिल्कुल ही अशोभनीय है। कमीशन उसको कभी एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेगा और उसी के साथ साथ ये कभी भी इस तरीके से बातें करना ना लोगों को एक्सेप्टेबल है ना कमीशन को है।
And my colleague Tanushka is joining me for more on this. Tanushka, you have been tracking all the details regarding Allahabadiya's summoning to now appearing before the NCW panel and now the NCW panel coming out and hitting against him. Tell us more about his repent shown towards the NCW.
Right, what we have been given to understand from the NCW chairperson Vijay Rahatkar is that she said that these YouTubers and the producers Saurav Bothra and Tushar Pujari and of course Ranveer Allahabadiya and Apurva Makhija, who was summoned by the NCW when they presented themselves yesterday before the women's panel, have expressed their remorse and their regret in this India's Got Latent controversy over the remarks made by Ranveer Allahabadiya in one of the episodes. Remember, the show is by Samay Raina, another YouTuber who has also been summoned by the NCW at a later date. And yesterday, what we understand, this proceeding went on for 3 hours and 3-hour-long questioning and grilling session was done and made. And the NCW chairperson has said that all the YouTubers as well as the producers of the show have accepted their mistake. They have submitted apology letters and they have said that they will never repeat such a mistake again in their lives. They will be very mindful of their positions, of what they say on social media. These are not just content creators, but they also hold some sort of space and following to influence young minds. So they'll be more mindful of their position from now on. The NCW chief specifically said that, of course, the panel deeply condemns this act, and it's not just unacceptable to the panel but also to the people of the country, which is very clear in this sort of an outrage as well. And this is the first time that these YouTubers appeared in front of such, a commission out of their own will as well. And it's also the first time that the panel has also called in a woman as well. Remember, Apurva Makhija was also part of the same panel on the show, and she was also summoned and she's also expressed her regret and submitted an apology in the case. Ranveer Allahabadiya specifically, what we understand from the NCW chief is that has said that he will be very mindful of his shows and his talks in the future, and his content will be more focused towards being respectful towards women, and of course that he will think before what he puts out on the social media, on the internet, which is out there for consumption for everyone across age groups.